show along with you new elements and very hard, but everything impossible if you want this. So let's begin. Lay it with your back and hand. Prepare your hand. Go to the middle split and carefully go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So, for this element, you need some exercise, and so let's start along with me. Go to the position frog, right? And go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and keep this position. Open your breast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, the next one will be for your strong back. Go to this position and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And keep this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, go. Also breathe in and breathe out.
Until next video.
Okay, so in the next video we will continue with this element, and I will show and learn with you exercise for your hips and legs. And also thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.